Ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker requires little introduction, I think. I'm sure many of you know her. As both a veteran of dynamics, even a bit of a legend in the community, a trainer, an implementer, an innovator. She's here to talk to us today about how the whole can be greater than the sum of the parts, and at the same time we're cooperating, sometimes even a little bit of co-opetition can produce some pretty amazing results. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the owner of Opsis, Gill Walker.
Since time immemorial, we have had examples of different parts working together to create a whole. We've got examples here of, even in the animal kingdom, no one of those ants could build that bridge alone, but together they do a very good job of it. In management, we have senior people doing the heavy lifting, providing leadership, and then we have the junior people coming along behind and learning and doing a lot of the legwork. In the operating theatre, the surgeon could not work his magic unless the instruments were handed to him right on cue. Life works better as a team. In the orchestra, we have lots of different groups of instruments. We have the strings, woodwind, percussion, and brass. And even within those, there are lots of groups and lots of individuals. But no one of them is the orchestra. No one of them works well to make the complete symphony. A Dynamics 365 project is much the same. You need a massive range of skills to deliver that project on time, on budget. Just some of those skills are listed here. We have business people, such as business analysts. We need solution architects, people who can design the whole solution. We need technical specialists, people who can take that design and make the software do what the customer needs it to do. We have developers, people like my husband who can write gibberish that does magic. We have testers who make sure that what the business asks for in the beginning is what they get. Then we have trainers who can ensure that the users can make this wonderful system that has cost large numbers of dollars deliver the value to the business. Sitting over all of those, we typically have a project manager, and we'll have people providing some technical support, so when users get a little bit stuck, they're not left all on their own. And if you are heading up the practice, you're sitting in the middle of all of this lot of people running in different directions. You are the conductor. You're the one that's calling in a bit of this service and a bit of that service and trying to make the whole lot fit together and work together so that you can then deliver the whole as the customer wants. But you've got a big risk. If you are employing on payroll these business analysts, these technical experts, these developers, the trainers, the testers, the support people, how on earth do you manage all of that so you've got them when you need them and not when you don't? How do you protect yourself from being like this turtle up at the top of the beach, wondering where the water has gone to? The answer is within the gig economy that we've heard alluded to on several occasions earlier. What we need is a model where we can get those resources when we need them. And this is what the Dynamics 365 group gives you. The Dynamics 365 group gives you competent, certified, and experienced resources at low cost when you do need them, and at zero cost when you don't. So you can have these resources and you can pull them all together, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, as and when you need it, and your role is the conductor of just bringing in those pieces so that you can then deliver to your customer what they need. And the icing on the cake is that by using this model, not only can you deliver to the customer what the customer needs, you can spend your time looking after the customer rather than running around trying to fill up the diaries of these people that you've got sitting there who are going to take money out of your bank at the end of the week, regardless of whether they've done any billable work. And these resources are available to you for long term, several months, or even short term, even as little as a few hours. If you've got a segment of work, perhaps a training course, or even some data analysis that needs to be done and brought into one of the Dynamics products, the Dynamics 365 group can give you a resource to do just that task and then hand it over, hand it back to you, and they're gone. In the same way as the instrument in the orchestra plays its piece and sits in silence until they are next needed. Using a model, the model provided by the D365 group, allows you to make better use of your fixed costs, optimize the use of your variable costs, maintain the marketing and sales activity that you need so that you've got more projects to keep people busy and to keep the money coming in, and all the while not getting caught with your people on the bench. And all of this lot combined together means that your profits just go up. So I will now hand you back to David, who will wrap up with how you can use the D365 group to make the profits of your business go ever upwards.